Hello dear student, once again welcome to in this class. In last video we have studied about the different kinds of method by which we can prepare haloalkanes. In last video I think we have discussed about the preparations of haloalkanes by alcohols, and today we will discuss once again, and it is the last method of preparation of haloalkanes, and today we will discuss how the haloalkanes prepared by halide exchange method. Okay, so next the point is by halide exchange method, preparation of haloalkanes by halide exchange method. Okay, halide exchange method. In this method, this method is used for the preparations of alkyl fluoride or alkyl iodide, which are not directly prepared by simple method. So in this method we use different chloroalkanes or bromoalkanes and will react with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone or alcohol. Now in one line we can define as when chloro or bromo alkanes treated with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone or alcohol to form iodoalkane respectively. Okay, now see the skeleton. When RCl is treated with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone or alcohol, ethyl alcohol, to form Ri, alkyl iodide, and byproduct as NaCl, or RBr once again treated with sodium iodide in the presence of same condition acetone to form Ri, and as a byproduct NaBr. This reaction, that means in this reactions we can prepare alkyl iodide, and this reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction. This reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction. Very important reaction, Finkelstein reaction. Sometimes question asks what is Finkelstein reactions, or write short note on Finkelstein reactions. So we will have to keep in our mind what is the Finkelstein reactions. In these reactions, chloro or bromo alkanes treated with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone to form alkyl iodide. Let us see the example. CH3, CH2, Cl plus NaI, sodium iodide in the presence of acetone to form CH3, CH2I, iodoethane, and as a byproduct NaCl. Next, C2H5Br plus NaI in the presence of acetone form same product C2H5I, iodoethane, and NaBr as a byproduct. Okay, very important reactions. This reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction, and in these reactions also you can see the how does the halide changes. Iodine replace chlorine and form iodoalkane, and as a byproduct NaCl, and in this case NaBr. Once again here form alkyl iodide and you can take a lots of example and write CS3C2 CS2Cl ethyl chloride when treated with sodium iodide to form ethyl iodide, and as a byproduct sodium chloride. Ethyl bromide when treated with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone it forms ethyl iodide and byproduct as a sodium bromide, and this reaction is known as Finkelstein reactions. Very important reactions in your examination as well as also sometime it asks in competitive exam. Okay, now in next step we will discuss how we will prepare the fluoroalkanes. In case of fluorinations, we cannot prepare fluoroalkane directly, so in indirect method we will obtain the fluoroalkanes. When chloroalkane or bromoalkane treated with silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, cobalt trifluoride, antimony trifluoride to form fluoroalkanes. Okay, now see when fluoroalkane treated with silver fluoride or Fg2F2 mercurous fluoride. Now we are going to define only thus. When fluoroalkane or bromoalkane treated with silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, antimony trifluoride or cobalt trifluoride to form fluoroalkanes respectively. Okay, now see here, suppose fluoroalkanes like alkyl chloride or fluoroalkane when treated with silver fluoride like this to form fluoroalkanes like RF, and as a byproduct AgCl. In case of mercurous fluoride, when maybe alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide when treated with mercurous fluoride to form once again fluoroalkane and byproduct as Hg2Br2 mercurous bromide. Okay, now multiply it with 2, also with 2. Clear? And this reaction is known as salt reaction. Salt reaction. Okay, sometime maybe ask what is salt reaction, or write short note on salt reaction. In salt reaction, chloroalkanes or bromoalkanes treated with metallic fluoride, and metallic fluoride may be silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, antimony trifluoride and cobalt trifluoride. Okay, now one thing kept in your mind, we are going to discuss very important. In case of organic compound having 2 or 3 halogen atom, chlorine atom or bromine atom in same carbon atom, in this situation cobalt trifluoride or antimony trifluoride is used. That means suppose CH3, C, Cl, Cl and CH3, 2,2-dichloropropane, 2,2-dichloropropane. You can see that 2 chlorine atoms are attached on same carbon atom. In this situation, the useful reason to form fluoroalkane is antimony trifluoride and cobalt trifluoride. So it is the useful for this reaction. Take here SbF3 antimony trifluoride. Okay, antimony trifluoride, and when antimony trifluoride react with dichloro or trichloroalkanes to form CH3CF CH3, 2,2-dichloropropane, and as a byproduct SbCl3. Now multiply it with 3 and with 2 with 3 with 2. Clear? All the reaction is balanced. Clear? Okay. This reaction is very useful and very important because these are naming reaction. One is short reaction and one is Finkelstein reaction. In Finkelstein reaction, chloroalkanes or bromoalkanes treated with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone or alcohol, while in short reaction, the chloroalkanes and bromoalkanes treated with metallic fluoride. Metallic fluoride may be silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, antimony trifluoride and cobalt trifluoride. Okay. In case of haloalkanes, in which two or more chloro or bromo atom attached on a same carbon atom, in this situation we always use antimony trifluoride to form fluoroalkanes and cobalt trifluoride to form fluoroalkanes. Okay, so this method is very important for your examinations, and I hope the preparations we have finished, and in next topic we will discuss about the physical properties and chemical properties, and one thing is nature of carbon and halogen bond. Okay, thank you, all the best.